A day in my life as someone na gusto nang yumaman. Yo, what's up? It's Ron. And today, i-inspire ko kayo kung paano maging masipag. Dreamer, achiever, golden retriever. I woke up at 5 a.m. Yan ang goal. Pero nagising tayo ng 7 a.m. Pero okay lang yan. Sabi nga ni Ron, slow progress is still a program. Programmed progress.
We have a big day ahead, kaya dapat walang sagabal kagaya ng dandruff.
I started my day with a quick workout kasi dapat strong ka physically, mentally, emotionally, at syempre, financially. Meron ba ako lahat niyan? Syempre, wala. Chut! After workout, pawis tayo. Ani check! Oh, syempre may fresh pa rin ako. Alam mo kung bakit? Racket mong may bakit. Gumagamit kasi ako ng Head and Shoulders araw-araw. It targets the root cause of dandruff, reaching dandruff-causing microbes. Dahil pera lang dapat ang iniipon, hindi dandruff. Ron, 2025. Now, I'm ready to conquer the day. And syempre, bebe time! So ano ang natutunan mo today kay Ron? A. Wala. B. Maligo. Or C. Charan! Wala talaga. Ang tamang sagot ay Head and Shoulders for up to 100 itch-free, dandruff-free scalp until your next wash. Right.